Here we are back again at the Magic Kingdom. Gonna go in for a little while, see what we can see, and see what kind of rides we can get on, see what's new, what's changed. So here we go. Just walking into the park and check it out. We got Prince Ali, Alice, Moana, Mary Poppins, and what's his face over there? Alice is talking about something. No idea what she's saying. Oh, there's Mary Poppins waving at us. Just stopped at the cheeseburger spring roll stand. Just before you go into Adventureland, you can see they pulled up the social distancing markers. Pretty sweet, making some progress. I'm gonna stop in the Tiki Room to soak up some AC and check out the singing birds.
Oh, when is this senorita? My siestas are getting shorter and shorter. Oh, look at all the people. Welcome to Walt Disney's Enchanted Tiki.
Now we present direct from the islands, a musical duo.
Well, we were going to do Big Thunder Mountain, but apparently there's a mountain goat infestation. So I guess we'll have to come back later when the mountain goats have been wrangled all together. So it would have seemed that Aladdin's Magic Carpet Ride, Aladdin's carpets need to be lubricated just a little bit. Just a little on the squeaky side. A little Haunted Mansion action.
Well stocked with priceless first editions, only ghost stories, and marble busts of the greatest ghost writers the literary world has ever known.
Experience. Kindly remain seated in your doom buggy. We will continue our tour in just a moment.
Selected you to fill our quota, and they'll haunt you until you return.
Well, we were going to do the People Mover, but it shut down again. Guess they're having some problems with the new electrical system. From what I heard, I think they changed over from analog to digital system that controls the cars. Don't quote me on that, but that's the way I understand it. But I don't know. Guess we'll see if it comes back up later. Mr. Tom Morrow, please see Mr. Johnson in the control tower. I guess that's where Mr. Johnson's at. So the rumor that I've been hearing is that the fireworks just might be returning at the beginning of July this year. I guess we'll see. I don't know. It'd be kind of cool to see him come back.